With just about 3 weeks until the April 15th tax filing deadline, I spoke with Peggy Riley from the Internal Revenue Service about what you, the taxpayer, should keep in mind when filling out your tax forms. As Riley explains, there may be several tax breaks that apply to you.
There's a lot of tax changes this year. There's going to be a lot of credits and deductions that people might not be aware of, but that may help them to get a bigger refund. One of the things is the first-time homebuyer credit and the long-time resident credit. There's also a deduction for buying a new car. You can deduct the sales tax. There's some energy and education credits, so there's something for just about everybody.
Even if these tax credits don't apply to you, or you aren't sure if they do, the IRS wants you to know that if you do have some questions, they are there to assist you.
Our website is really great. If you go to irs.gov, right on the front page of the website is going to be all of the recovery tax information that you need. There's also a 1040 section, so it'll have all the latest updated information about the Form 1040s that you need to file your returns with. And if you don't have access to a computer, you can always give us a call at 1-800-829-1040 or come to one of our local IRS offices.
Another recommendation from the IRS is to put aside the paper and e-file.
E-filing is really the way to go. It's simple, it's fast, it's easy, and it's really safe and secure, so people shouldn't be worried about sending their information over the internet. All of the companies that participate in the e-file program have to pass background checks and safety checks with their computer systems so that nothing can be hacked into. And it really actually leads you through the whole entire return, so it asks questions about credits and deductions that you might not be aware of. So it's actually going to get you a better refund. And speaking of refunds, it comes a lot quicker if you file electronically. You can get it in 2 to 3 weeks, whereas if you filed on paper, it could be anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks.
Once again, the IRS website is www.irs.gov, or you can call 1-800-829-1040 for assistance. Tax help is also available at the Needham Senior Center, located at 83 Pickering Street, the Wellesley Senior Center at 219 Washington Street, and Traditions in Dedham at 735 Washington Street. You can also head to Boston, which is the closest IRS office to Needham.